All right, we'll start from here. Welcome to the vibe coding session with me, Cheryl. We'll just pick one of the software that's posted on the website and start making a new web service. Let's see, system engineering. So let's just pick some one that might be good. Let's just do some random one. All right, climate risk and regulatory reporting. Climate risk and regulatory reporting. All right, organize climate risk disclosure task, evidence, owner, deadlines, scenarios, data, and board reporting. Start with one site product line. Supply a group, vehicle group, or project type, then expand as the data and operating model become clear. Okay, that makes sense. All right, good. So let's start by asking AI how to write that code. So I am just going to make a new session. Just 1 second. I am going to create that on the local drive. What I'm going to do is just going to copy paste this and then create the folder with the same name. All right, so I got this climate risk regulatory reporting folder here. So what I'm gonna do, let's just select this folder, trust as a workspace. Okay, and then right here. So let's say I would like to new web app, C# ASP.NET, Blazor. And description of the service here. All right, so let's let it make it. We'll just always allow, just for the purpose of speeding things up. I'm just gonna go bypass permissions for now. Let's just wait for the AI to spit out the focus for an MVP. So do Blazor server, SQLite, we'll do MVP. Okay, so we got this new channels within the team, and what we do is we're gonna actually install the AV project. This will track all the tasks that needs to be done for this project. So let's select software development. Okay, so we've got this all set. So let's see, we'll create the very first task. Create initial project. So we say okay, that would be for me. Save. So there comes the first items. And I suppose this service will kind of need a login services. So let's use the ASP.NET Core identity, and that should work nicely with the other authenticator, like logged in by Google, logged in by Microsoft. So to make your life much easier, let's call that visibility is private. Oh, yeah, public. Not read me. I'll get ignore for now. MIT license for repository. Okay, so basically we want to be able to run it on a VS. So can you make it so that I can run on VS? You don't need a Visual Studio to code with AI, but it's nice to be able to run it on the Visual Studio, check the code, and be able to run it from there. So that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, I think it's almost done. So right, let's try it. All right, so everything that was built, it's all in here. Yeah, nice. So let's try to run it and see. All right. Some sort of error. What's this? Something did not work. All right, but it's easy. You just tell them. Being very lazy here. Just copy paste your bug, and they'll know. Yeah. All right. The session wasn't killed from the last time, so. I'll do that for me. Okay, great. So let's run it again. Okay, this time looks like it's actually gonna run. Oh, great. Okay, so this is very much templated service. So let's try to log in and see what password we need. What is the username? Password first. All users saying, yeah. Okay, so let's see. There's some data that's already populated. Oh, invite login. Okay, yeah, password. So that's okay. The password is demo 2026. Okay, great. So it's all here. New risk items, dashboard. Okay, good. So let's go. Let's close it first, and let's take a look at what type of models that's been created. Yeah, go data models. So yeah, so here you can see site, supplier, risk item, evidence, repo record. We got some initial property set here. So what is the site? Physical facility, yeah, so the location. And what else is here? Supplier, yeah, okay, supplier. ID, name, contact email, category. Yes, it's a pretty simple one, huh? All right. Risk items, title, description, category, likelihood, impact, 2 times. Okay. And application users don't have any extra properties, but we can add that later. Maybe initialize. This must be the one that actually runs first. Yep. To pre-populate the initial data here. All right. That's all right. So let's write the. Let's see. I want to actually write down how the software is built first to get understanding. So we'll say let's write README to explain structure of the service, how it's made. Of course, we do the README, but also for internal. Made for public, and also for let's make wiki document and AV to explain the internal engineer team. The AV project is so. We need to actually tell them what project this is so that they know. So if you go to settings, here's a project ID that you can copy paste. And then we'll do that. So let's write README explain structure and service. Now it's made for public. Okay. Did it actually write a good README here? Yeah, it's already here. Okay, that's good. So we don't need to write the README, but maybe they'll update for our public-facing explanations. The wiki is empty for the AB. Wiki is empty. Yes, it is empty. So if you go to documents here, right now it's empty. But AI will. Claude Code will go there and write the readme.md. Okay, README and wiki article is already published, so let's go check. Nope, it's not there yet. Oh, they are creating wiki article now. Okay, that's good. So let's go to documents. Engineering guide is all here. Internal reference for engineers working on climate risk and regulatory reporting app. Covers architecture, the key design decisions, why we made them, blah blah blah. It's all here. It's all good. Yep. Okay. Let's see. So. Okay, let's push here. It's really public repository. So I've already, obviously gave OK to connect to my GitHub account to Claude. So they will just go and push this to be available. After this, so obviously it's not ready to be served as enterprise software. So we need to actually come up with a task and organize milestones to make this all great. And even that, we can actually ask AI to actually come up with a plan, and then we can record that plan to A/B project and do it one by one. Okay, let's just refresh here. All right, so it's all here. Okay, good. So what I'd like to do is, okay, so MVP is good. Let's come up with a plan to make this enterprise ready software. Please create milestones. Task in A/B. So Claude will basically look at the code that they just generated, and I basically asked to see what else needs to be done in order to make this enterprise ready software. So they're going to think about it, and they're going to actually create a task within A/B project so that the this milestones and tasks and to do can be shared with your team or yourself or another machine yourself. A/B projects kind of becomes the hub of keeping record of what needs to be done and what to do. So either you're solo developers or team developers, you can still utilize the A/B project to keep that as a hub between you and AI and code. Because like you can write everything on your own machine, but as the time goes, like all the software basically needs to be continue to grow and continue to manage and maintain. So basically keeping log of what to do is quite important, and you can't have that within AI. So A/B project is kind of nice place to keep that as a side. So production data layer, multi-tenancy, enterprise. Yeah, so we got 8 tasks here. If you go to maybe you look at the task, yeah, so it's been all populated, and obviously these actually needs to be a little bit more in details. So what I'd like to do is go here and oh, maybe that's the grading task. Okay, so I was gonna ask to create a subtask, but obviously they're doing that right now as we speak. So here are, it's probably maybe easier to see this, but here are subtasks that needs to be done. Okay, so we're gonna wait for all the tasks to be created, but this will be it for today. On the next session, we'll look at the each task and move forward and go through to be the production level software. So if you like, please follow the channels and also follow the public repository that I just created today. So you can follow, and if you can, please install the A/B project from your Microsoft Teams. All you have to do is go to, you can just go to action page on top page. Go to English one. Go to English. And then just say sign in with a Microsoft 365. or you can just go to Marketplace and install from here. And then once you install, then you'll be able to do what I'm doing right here. Organize the tasks and follow up with the tasks, and maybe assign this task to the other team members to get things moved forward. All right, so let's do M1, M2 next phase, and that would be probably next week, but whenever I find the time, I'll try to update it as quickly as possible. Till then, I'll see you next time.